Chapter 2 of class 7 mathematics. This is where we stopped in the last class, profit loss. Okay, let's see. A shopkeeper bought 1 dozen ball pen at TK60 and sold at TK72. Here the shopkeeper bought 12 ball pen at 60. As a result, the cost price of one ball pen is 60 by 12, that is 5 taka. Again, he sold 12 ball pens at 72. As a result, the selling price of one ball pen is 72 by 12, that is TK6. The cost price of one ball pen is 5. The selling price of one ball pen is 6. The purchasing price of anything is called cost price, and the selling price of that thing is called selling price. Then what is the profit? The difference between the selling price and the cost price. The selling price should be more than cost price in order to be profitable. Okay, here the shopkeeper gains profit of 1 TK for each ball pen. Again, suppose a banana seller bought a bunch of 4 bananas at TK20 and sold at TK18. If the selling price is less than the cost price, then there is a loss. The loss is nothing but cost price minus selling price. In this case, it is 2. Okay. For each bunch of bananas. In this case, suppose that a cloth merchant who rented a shop appointed 5 employees. He pays the rent of shop, employees' salaries, electric bill of shop, and miscellaneous expenses. All these costs are added to the cost price of the cloth. The sum of these is called total expenditure. If the merchant investing 2 lakh sold cloth at 2,50,000 in a month, then he gained 50,000 as profit. Again, if he sold cloth at 1,80,000, then you would have incurred a loss of 2 lakh minus 1.8 lakh, that is 20,000. Profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price. Loss, cost price minus selling price. Okay, so we can express profit or loss in percentage of either selling price or cost price. For example, in the discussion above, we see that when a ball pen bought at 5 and sold at 6, there is a profit of 1 taka. That is for 5 takas, there is a profit for 1 taka. Okay. So for 1 taka, the profit is 1 by 5. For 100 taka, the profit is 100 by 5, that is 20 taka. Our required profit is 20%. The banana seller buying bananas at 20 sells at 18, then his loss is 2 taka. For 20, loss is 2 taka. For 1, loss is 1 by 10. Okay, for 100 it is 10 taka, or the percentage it is 10%. Okay, an orange seller bought 100 oranges for 1000 taka and sold them at 1200. What is his profit? 1200 minus 1000, that is 200 taka. Okay, shopkeeper bought 1 sack of 50 kg rice at 1600. Due to the reduction of price of rice, he sold it at 1500. What is his loss? 100. Okay, if 15 ball pens are bought at 75 taka and sold at 90 taka, what is the percentage of profit? 90 minus 75, 15 is the profit. Percentage profit 15 by cost price, 15 by 75 into 100. Okay, this is how it is. 15 3 is 15 5 is 520 is, so 20% is the profit. A fisher bought 4 hilsa fishes at 1600 taka and sold each hilsa at 350. What is his percentage of profit or loss? So the cost price for 4 pieces is 600 taka. Selling price for 4 pieces will be 350 into 4. 14, is it not 1400? 4 5 is 20. Yes, 1400. So loss is 200 taka. Percentage loss means 200 by 1600 into 100. Okay, 12.5%. Okay. When a person sells a box of grapes for 2750 taka, there is a loss of 450 taka. If it is sold for 3600 taka, then what is his profit or loss? Okay, if it is sold for 360 minus 2750, how much it is? 250 here, 600 there, 850, 400 taka profit. Okay, a reseller bought one box of tea leaves at the rate of 80 taka per kg, selling the whole tea leaves at the rate 75 taka per kg. He lost yes 5 taka. Okay, how many kgs of tea leaves did he buy? Oh, okay, he lost 500 taka. Okay, per kg loss is 5. There is a loss of 500 taka. That means 500 by 5 is 100. So 100 kg is 100 kg was sold. Okay. Right, 100 kg tea leaves was bought. Sold, I think. Okay, an egg seller buys 5 dozens of eggs at the rate of 101 taka per dozen and 6 dozens at the rate of 90 per dozen. What should be the selling price if he wants to gain 3 taka per dozen? Buys 5 dozens of eggs at the rate of 101 per dozen, 6 dozens at the rate of 90 per dozen. 101 into 5 is 505. 90 into 6 is 540. The total cost is 1045. Per dozen it will be 1045 by 11, that is 95. That is average price, average cost price. Selling price should be 98 taka per dozen. Okay. A goat is sold at a loss of 10%. If the selling price is taka 450 more, then it is 5% profitable. What is the cost price? Now it is a loss, 10% loss. Okay. If the selling price is comparing to the cost price, 0.9 times cost price, you should form an equation of this like this. 0.9 of or 90% of cost price is the selling price now. Okay, due to 10% loss. So 0.9 times CP cost price plus 450 is what 5% profitable, right? So 1.05 cost price. Okay, that means 0.15 cost price is 450. Cost price is 450 by 0.15 or 415 by 15 into 100. 3000 taka is the cost price. Okay. Nabil bought 2 kgs of sandesh at the rate of 250 per kg from a sweet shop. If the rate of VAT is taka 4 per 100, 100 taka, 4 per 100 taka, how many taka did he pay to the shopkeeper. Okay, 2 kgs of sandesh at the rate of 250 per kg. So 500 is the total cost. So VAT is 8 rupees because it is 200 taka. Okay, 500 plus 8, 508 taka. No, this 100 rupees it is 4, 100 taka it is 4, 500 taka it is 20. Oh, 5 into 4 20. Sorry, so 520. The activity problems you have to do on your own. Monthly basic pay of Mr. Nazir is 27,650 taka. The tax for annual income for taka 2,50,000 as a first slab is 0. Okay, if the tax for the next slab of income is at the rate of 10 rupees per 100, 10 taka per 100, how many taka does Mr. Nasir pay as income tax? See, this is 27,650 into 12, that is the annual salary, 3,31,800. Up to 2,50,000 there is no tax, so subtract 2,50,000 from 3,31,800, so that is 81,800. For each 100 rupees, 100 taka you should pay 10 rupees, right? So by 10 will give you the tax amount, that is 8,180 taka. Okay, if one US dollar is taka 81 taka 50 paise, how much Bangladeshi currency does he need will be equal to 7,000 US dollar. That is very simple calculation. 7,000 into 81.5, 5,70,500 taka. Okay, so quickly we came to the exercise 2.2. If a shopkeeper bought 5 meters of cloth at the rate of 200 per meter and sold it at the rate of 225 per meter, and how much did he gain as profit? Per meter how much he gained is 25. There are 5 meters, so 25 into 5. Okay, not a very big problem, so I can do it here. 125 taka, I am not putting the unit also, so answer is 125. That is the first problem. Second problem, if an orange seller bought 5 dozens of orange at the rate of 60 per 4 and 60 per 4, okay, and sold them at the rate of 50 per 4, then how much did he lose? Per 4 he lost only 10 taka. Okay, per dozen that becomes 30. 30 into 5, 5 dozens are there, 150 taka is the total loss. Okay, or Rabi bought 50 kg rice at the rate of 40 per kg and sold it at the rate of 44 per kg. What is the amount of profit or loss? 4 taka per kg is the profit, so in total it is 200 taka. Okay, the buying rate of milk beta milk, okay, is 52 taka per liter. If it is sold at the rate of 55 per liter, what is the percentage of profit? This time they asked the percentage of profit. The profit per liter is 3. Okay, in percentage you should divide it by cost price, that is 52 in this case. Oh, wait a minute, why it is not coming? Okay, 3 by 52 into 100. Percentage always with respect to 100. This is the answer. How much it will be? Let's see. You will end up getting some decimal here in this case. So 3 by 52 into 100. No, 3 by 52 into 100. 5.76%. 5.77. Okay, rounded up to 2 decimal places. Some chocolates were bought at TK 8 rupee per piece and sold them at 8.5 taka per piece, and then profit was 25. How many chocolates were bought? 1 piece, so the profit is 0.5. Okay, 25 rupees, 25 taka profit means that will be 25 by 0.5, that is 50. 25 into 2, 50 pieces of art. That is the answer. The buying price of cloth is taka 125 per meter. If the shopkeeper sold it at the rate of 150 taka per meter, then he gained 2000 as profit. How many meters of cloth did the shopkeeper buy? Per meter it is 25 taka profit. Okay, the total profit is 2000. So this the number of meters will be 2000 by 25. 25 4 is 100. So 80 meters is the cloth. An item is bought at taka 150 and sold it at 175 taka. What is the percentage of profit or loss? Percentage of profit. This time they asked for percentage of profit or loss. Okay, it's definitely loss. How much? 15 by 150 into 100. 15 by 190, not 150. 15 by 190 into 100. 0 will cancel out. Okay, 15 by 190 into 100. 7.89% loss. Okay, the cost price of 25 meter cloth is equal to the selling price of 20 meters of cloth. What is the percentage of profit or loss? Cost price of the cloth per meter is X and the selling price is Y. Then the selling price according to the equation 25x, X is the cost price per meter of the cloth, and Y is the selling price per meter. Then Y equal to selling price per meter equal to 25 by 20 is almost 5 by 4, 1.25 times cost price. Okay, cost price per meter, that is X. Okay, then what is the percentage of profit or loss? In this case definitely profit, because the selling price is more than the cost price. Nothing but Y minus X by X into 100. So 1.25x minus X is 0.25x. Okay, by X into 100 is 25%. 25% is what? Profit. Okay, this is the answer. This is how we sorted it. Okay, alright. The buying price of 8 almokki is 5 taka. If 6 almokki is sold at 5 taka, what is the percentage of profit or loss? Okay, this is buying price. 1 almokki, cost price for 1 almokki, CP, only for 1 almokki is how much? 5 by 8 taka. 5 by 8 taka. What is the cost price for, selling price for 1 almokki is how much? 5 by 6. Now it is 5 by 6 taka. Then what is profit? Selling price minus cost price. Here you should get percentage of profit or percentage of loss. In this case profit only. Selling price minus cost price, because 5 by 6 is more than 5 by 8 since the denominator is small. So 5 by 6 minus 5 by 8. This is minus 5 by 8 divided by again 5 by 8, cost price only, into 100 should be there. 2 brackets at the end, at the extreme. Okay, we should put equal to what? So we can move it to the top. Okay, fair enough. Into 100 I have written, but I have to write. be there. Okay, what is LCM of 6 and 8? 12. No, not 12. 2 3 is 2 4 is 24. 24, fair enough. 5, all 5s will cancel out on the numerator side. So this becomes 24, right? Yes, 6 4 is 24, 8 3 is 24. 4 minus 3, 1 on the numerator side, 1 upon 24 into 8. 1 upon 24 into 8 is 3. Is it not 3? Four, 24, 6 4 is 8 3 is. Okay, that is 1 upon 24, right? So 100 by 3, 8 3 is 24, right? So 33.33% profit in this case. If the selling price of a car is 4 by 5 portions of cost price, what is the percentage of profit or loss? Again we have to formulate it. Selling price SP equal to 4 by 5, that is 0.8 times CP. In this case it is definitely loss because the selling price is lower than the cost price. So loss is nothing but cost price minus selling price. So 0.2 SP, CP divided by CP. Okay, both will cancel out into 100. 20% loss. Keep it here. If an object is sold at 400 taka, there is as much amount loss. There will be the profit amounting 3 times the loss. If it is sold at 480 taka, what is the cost price of an object? If an object is sold at 400 taka, there is as much amount loss. There will be profit amounting. There will be profit amounting 3 times the loss if it is sold at 480. What is the cost price of an object? If it is sold at 400, definitely there will be loss, but we don't know how much loss it is. Okay, there will be some loss. Let's say the loss is x taka. When the loss is x taka, what is the cost price? Cost price is 400 plus x. Okay, we don't know the value of x yet. Then what is selling price? If it is sold at 480, okay, the selling price is 480, you will get 3 times the loss as the profit. Okay, so what you will get is 3 CP plus 3 times x as the profit if it is sold at 480. That is how we should understand it. So 400 plus 4x is 480, 4x is 80, x is 20. Okay, when x is 20, what is the cost price? 420. So 420 taka is the cost price. CP is 420 TK taka. That is the answer here. If the selling price of a watch is TK 625, the loss is 10%. What should be the price of the watch if the profit of 10% is to be gained by selling it? If it is 10% loss, it is 620. I have an equation for this. What is the equation? Cost price minus selling price. In this case, it is 625. equal to 10% of cost price. That is the equation. Okay, we can write the equation the other way also. 1 minus 0.1, that is 0.9 cp cost price is nothing but 625. Okay, then what is cost price? 625 by 0.9. Okay, then what should be the selling price? 10% of cost price. So 1.1 times the cost price. Okay, 10% profit means 1.1 times cost price. Cost price is 625 by 0.9, that is 694 roughly, into 1.1 times is the answer. So 764 or 763.8 is the answer. Okay, 763.88 or 764 is the answer. Okay, minus 625, that is 138. Okay, by 0.9. Is it valid? You should ask that question. 694 into 1.1, 763, that is valid. Okay, Maisha bought 1.15 meters red ribbon at the rate of 20 taka per meter. The rate of VAT is 4%, and she gave 500 taka to the shopkeeper. How many taka will the shopkeeper return her? 15 meters ribbon, 20 per meter means 15 into 20 is 300 taka. Okay, but there is VAT, 4% VAT is there, right? So 1.04 you have to multiply it with 312. So minus 500, or 500 minus 312, that is 188 taka he has to return. Okay, Mr. Roy is a government officer. He will go to India to visit religious places. If Bangladeshi 1 taka is equal to Indian 0.63 rupees, how much Bangladeshi taka would he need for Indian 3000 rupees? Oh, right. So that is simple calculation. So for 1 rupee, how much he needs? 1 by 0.63 taka, that is 1.587 taka he needs for 1 rupee. So 3000 rupees means into 3000, that is the answer. 4761.9 or 4762, we can roughly say 4761.9 taka, that is the answer. Okay, right. Nilim is a service holder. His monthly basic pay is this. The income tax of 2,50,000 taka, first slab of annual income is taka, that is tax free, 0 taka. The rate of income tax for the next annual income slab is taka 10 rupees. How many taka does he has to pay as tax? Basic pay is 22,500. That is per month. Total he will get 2,70,000 taka per annum. Up to 2 lakh there is no tax. So 2 lakh you can subtract from that, you will get 70,000 taka. Okay. So after that, for every 100 taka you have to pay 10, that is 10% roughly. So 7,000 taka he has to pay as tax. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, we will see from problems related to speed in the next session. Okay, thank you.